blessings. The child that we will talk of any day, anytime. We are going to give you chieftaincy title. I say, hold your title. And having said that, who loves promo? Do you like promo? It's promo time. Promo time. Don't let your phone die. That's the secret I will give you now. Don't let your battery run out on you. Because so much is coming up that, oh my God, let me just give it. So promo time. And we have no other than our powerful leader here to show us one another that put himself for us in terms of promo. That is our blue diamond, the leader of leaders, the powerful woman, Madam Jacinta Okori. Norland! I can hear your voice. Lagosians, Norland! Are we having fun? Are you glad to be here? Put your hands together for yourself. Believe me, if you're in Lagos and you are not at Tent Oregon today, believe me, you are wrong. The best place to be today is not that place but what? In this hall. We are catching fun. Is that day Nolan have promised us with so many rewards, and we are ready for it. So sit tight on your seats because we have a lot for you today. Now to all our prospects in the building, I want you to know that the person that invited you to this place means a whole lot for you. In the world, in the era of what we are doing today, is in the era of connected economy. So the best you can do for yourself is to make sure you are connected. If you are connected to Norland, come October this year, you will be among the people that will man the stage to be celebrated. Can somebody say yeah, yeah? Yeah, good. My work here is very simple. It is that time of the event you have been waiting for. It's the promo time. Can somebody say promo, promo? Beautiful. Please, can somebody put his or her hands together for Norland? If your mind is not here, bring back your mind. Make sure your phone is ready. Because the promo I'm about to announce is the best of its kind. Is the best of its kind. This is the first time in the history of Norland we are having what we call double PV promo for June 2021, and it's going to run till 30th of June 2021. It's a national promo. Whether you are in Lagos, or you are in the north, or you are in the south, or you are in the east, this is our promo. So, Nolan said, for your 2021 car promo points, within the promo time, if you can sponsor directly sponsor up to 200 PV. Are we together? Nolan is going to double it for you. So it's going to be 200 PV times 2, which is how many? 400 PV for your 2021 car promo. Are we together?
Oh, yeah.
Are we excited about it? Remember, directly sponsor. You must be the sponsor. Now, Nolan said, if you can directly sponsor 500 new PV, if you can directly sponsor 500 new PV, Nolan is going to give you times 2.2. This one is more than double. Are we together? So you will have 500 times 2.2. That's what they will calculate for you for your car. Now, Nolan said, if you can directly sponsor 1,000 PV and above, Nolan will times it by 1,000 times 2.5. That will give you the PV. Now, Nolan said, if you can directly sponsor up to 2,000 PV within the promo brackets, you are getting your 2,000 PV and you will get additional 3,000 PV. Now, the other type for this promo is registration and upgrade order. Now, for registration, it must not be a single registration. I can decide to sponsor 2 people. Let's assume I sponsor 2 gold members, 1,120 points, 1,120 points. 2 of them together gives me 2,000 something. Meaning that Nolan will give me additional 3,000 PV. Are we together? Are we together?
Oh, yeah.
Now, that is the illustration. You can see it here. That's the illustration we have here. Now, Nolan also said, for people you have sponsored before today, for people you have directly sponsored before today, if they can do upgrade order within the promo period, those PV will also be times according to what the PV generated. Are we getting the gist? So if you have somebody you have sponsored before and the person wants to move to another level, that PV the person is generating will be doubled for you. If the PV is up to 2,000, it will be plus 3,000 for you. I said this is the best of all the promos I have seen so far. Now, the members that will join from today, before or on 30th of June, Nolan said, both your personal PV and the PV of the people you directly sponsor are still going to count for you. Are we excited? Are we happy about it?
Oh, yeah.
Remember, this promo counts for only for your 2021 car promo. Seriously, this is Operation Win Your SUV. Are we together? Okay. That promo is a national promo. But the next promo I want to talk about is restricted only to Ogun State and Lagos State stockists. Are we together? Ogun State and Lagos State stockists. And with this make more money. Tell your neighbor, make more money. Good. Okay. Now, Nolan said this promo is starting today and it will run till 30th of June 2021. So Nolan said if you can register with 50,000 naira through a Lagos State stockist or Ogun State stockist, you will be promoted to senior member package, which is 87,000. So with that, Nolan have helped you to save how much? 37,000 is a good one. And Nolan said if you can register with 80,000, 80,000 normally takes you to senior member level. But with this promo, you'll be moved to bronze level. Is that not wonderful? Helping you to save up to 87,000 naira. This is beautiful. Now, Nolan said you can register with 160,000. 160,000 supposed to take you to bronze. But with this, Nolan said you'll be moved to silver level. Are we together? Beautiful. Now, if you register with 350,000 today, instead of being a silver member, Nolan will push you to gold level, helping you to save up to 350,000. This is beautiful. Now you can come about with 1 million. Normally, the highest level is diamond, which is 1,350,000. But Nolan said today, register through a Lagos Ogun State stockist with 1 million. You'll be moved to diamond. They will help you to save up to 350,000. This is beautiful. The last but not the least, deposits and lucky draw promo. You see, we told you today that we have a lot for you. Don't be in a haste to go. Nolan is well loaded, well packaged. We are here to give it to you. Very, very hot. So don't be in a haste to go. There are a lot you are going to enjoy from Nolan today. Now, in our normal event, we have our normal draw where we do with our tickets. But this time around, we're not just doing one rifle draw. We are going to have two. Are we together? The normal one we do before with your tickets and the promo that comes with what? Buying of sleep today. We are going to do it inside the hall today. Are we together? Beautiful. Now, Nolan said if you deposit 4,000 naira today, you will have a chance to win big from Nolan. And the picking of this, you cannot do it tomorrow, but once I finish now, you can start buying your tickets. And to get the tickets, you need to get to the front here. By the right of the front, you will meet some of the manager, some of them, our wonderful partners. They will help you with it. Okay, good. Please, when you come to the front, you get to meet this wonderful brother and the other brother. They will help you with the tickets. How do you do it? When you pay your 4,000 naira, that 4,000 naira, you will be allowed to put your hand inside a box. We call it lucky promo. You put your hand inside the box. Whatever you pick out is yours. Are we together? And the least, the minimum you can pick from that box is a box of male or female pad, which worth how much? 16,750 naira. Are we together? Are we excited about it?
Well, the cash.
So the 4,000, you do it here. In the front here, you put your hand inside the box and pick. Whatever you pick from there, that's what you win. Now, outside male and female lorry pad, we have other things that are there. Opportunity to get more wallet from Nolan is there. We have electronics. Hello? Electronics are also there. So if you're lucky, your 4,000 naira can give you something good.
owó lọ́wọ́ yẹn owó ni.
àbí o some people bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ̀n ní kanóòtì yẹn gbogbo àwọn arọ lọ wáyé sí wọn sọ 4,000
gbogbo màá yé ló máa ké jù báyìí.
yá
pẹ̀lú gbogbo ilé tó wà tà yìí because ká ní pé ó ti.
My goodness, can somebody celebrate the Lord for me?
Ogun State.
Can somebody celebrate the Lord for me? When you think you have heard it all, I tell you, you've not started. From our country manager, direct from the horse's mouth, he said that it's not only the male or the female part, that we have e-wallet there. You can put your hand and get e-wallet. We also have wallets that can do 80,000 registration for you, 50,000 registration for you. We have television inside there. We have refrigerator inside there. Oh my God, people are already queuing to buy this. What is happening? Hold on, please. Hello. Please. Hold on. If you pick your ticket, hello. Whatever you win, you can only claim it from the nearest stockists around you or from our northern head office. And for you to claim it, you must do a registration order or open order or retail order that is not less than 50,000 naira. Hello.
ẹlòmíì ò tí gbọ́ yẹn o ta class náà bí.
Hello.
owó lọ́ fi wówó.
èmi understand still lè
200,000
naira tó bá fẹ́
Hello, please go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat.
1,000 dem.
Go back to your seat.
kó tiẹ̀ ṣe márùn-ún.
Please go back to your seat. Go back to your seat.
owó lórí ìyẹn.
Go back to your
wọ́n ta
seat.
product
wọ́n ṣe máa gba product.
wọ́n yẹ wá gba
Back to your seat.
TV.
Please go back to your seat, please.
owó náà fi ń wówó ni.
bẹ́ẹ̀
woman yẹn ló máa dó àìwá. Pẹ̀lú owó ẹ̀ tó-
Go back to your seat.
owó ẹ̀ ló tún lọ ráǹgì síbì kan yẹn.
Go back to your seat. Please don't sell to anybody. Go back to your seat.